Okay, so December 23rd, Summy said she had Christmas present for me.
Finally.
I was like, oh. And I was like, oh, nice gift. And then it's a bag of chips. These are really popular in Korea right now. Like, you can't get them. They're called Honeybutter-chips. And like, you can't get them anywhere. And I'm about to try it.
I got it. I got it, not you.
Okay, smells like potato chip.
맛있지? 맛있지 않아?
It tastes like the garlic bread from Paris baguette. The kind that's not good. Terrible. Not worth it. Worst Christmas ever.